Okay, welcome students to the exam procedures. I'd like to go over how we're going to take exams in this class. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so as we can see, we have an exam coming up on Monday. Okay, the exam is July 17th, and it's Math 250 Exam 1. Okay, to access the exam, you're going to need to either click on the exam, or you can click on quizzes, and then click on the exam. So the exam is in the quizzes tab. Okay. Before you take the exam, though, you're going to want to go over here and just under quizzes is something called Proctorio, and you're going to need to install Proctorio on your computer. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you're installed in Google Chrome. Okay, that you're working in Google Chrome and you've installed Google Chrome, and the extension will be like, oh, okay, they're using Chrome. That's done. Step 1 is done. The second is to get Proctorio as an extension on your browser. So we're going to go to Get Extension, and that brings up this website, and it just says click here to install the extension, and that will initially go to the Chrome Web Store, where the Proctorio extension is located. And I'm just going to click Add to Chrome, and it says, add Proctorio. Yes, it can do all these wonderful things, and we're just going to add the extension. Okay, it's going to download the extension, and it will say that it has been added to Chrome. And you can see up here in my extensions bar, it has been successfully added to Chrome. Okay, I can click out of that. If I want to look and make sure that the extension is there, I can click on my little puzzle piece here, and it shows my extensions, and I can pin that to my extensions there, and it will show Proctorio in my extensions bar. Now, if you don't have an extensions bar on Chrome, you can go to these 3 dots and then go to More Tools, and then go to Extensions, and it will bring up all of your extensions, and it shows all my extensions, and it shows Proctorio, and this and it's enabled. So enabled, disabled. Okay, and so it now says, hey, your secure exam plugin is successfully installed. Please return to your course. Okay, so I would either go back to the modules, or I would go back to the quizzes. Okay, or I could even go to the syllabus, and on the syllabus it's going to say exam 1. Okay, and I would click on exam 1. Okay, so however you want to get to the exam 1, you can get to exam 1. Okay, it says please write out all your solutions to the 12 problems. I will be grading not only your final response, but your work for each solution. Please make sure that all your work is done in sequential order. I do not want to have to hunt for your responses. You will then upload all your worked out solutions in question 1 as a complete packet in PDF or doc file format. If you have access to a printer, you may want to print off the following document to help organize your answers. You will have 4 hours total once you begin the exam to complete all 12 questions and then upload your worked out responses under the file upload box below. So here's the file, okay, Math 287, okay, and then below that you would see a file for the exam, previewed, pages 1 through 10 here. I'm not going to show the exam. But you could download the exam as well, print it off, and then you would just, scan it, upload it, take various pictures of it, however you would want to do that. You could also download it as a, and then import it into, something that you could write on a tablet or PC or, some sort of touchscreen device, and then just save it as a digital file and then upload it, very similar to what you've been doing in your homeworks. Okay, this is a graded quiz. It's 100 points. It's an exam. Okay, and your time limit is 240 minutes, and it says Proctorio is on. Okay. If I preview this, you will see that at the bottom, it says question 1. Okay, and it says, please upload all your worked out solution to the 12 exam questions as one PDF or doc file. Multiple files will be rejected, and only the first one will be accepted and graded. So make sure all your work is in one file. So, and then you just choose your file, and then you upload that one file. Okay, and then you would, once you upload the file, you click Submit Quiz. That there is a time limit here. Okay, and that time limit is 3 hours, 48 minutes, or sorry, 4 hours. So there is, once you click on this, you'll have only 4 hours to submit. Okay, so make sure that you're working within that 4 hours. Okay. Okay, so let me click out of this. Yes, I want to navigate away from that. Okay, so going back here, we have, okay, so in the exam, you will have a formula sheet, okay, as well. So make sure that you are aware of the formula sheet, okay, for exam 1. So these are all the applications and different types of differential equations. The exam has 12 questions and it covers chapters 1 through 3. Okay. All of the material that we've covered in chapters 1 through 3. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of me through Pronto. That's probably the best, is just send me a message on Pronto, okay, for our class. And then, and then I'll address issues that you may have separately, individually. Sometimes students have issue, downloading the extension. Okay. I will have office hours on Monday night from 6 to 7. So if you are having issues and are available, it's 6 to 7. Again, the exam will be open all day Monday. So if I go back to the exam, okay, we can see that if I were to edit, okay, it shows that the exam is due on Monday night at midnight, and it opens Monday or Sunday night at midnight. So you'll have that 24-hour window to complete all 12 problems and then upload your responses. Okay. I think that's it. I think I've covered everything so far. And so if you need any more clarification, please let me know. Okay, and good luck to you for your studying, and good luck to you on the exam. Thanks.